Hey guys, I have a new routine for you. This one's called Sweet But Psycho. So I'm going to start it off with the chorus because the beginning of the song starts with the chorus. It's going to be 3-step grapevine to your right. 1, 2, 3. You can clap it out. 1, 2, 3. You can snap it out, whatever you want to do, alright? After that, we're going to have 2 jacks. Jack, jack. Build cross front and cross and back, okay? If you need to modify, you can step touch it. You don't have to jump it up. Moving on! After that, you're gonna have shake it right and shake it left. Cool? So all together, the chorus, we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2 jacks. Cross, cross, shake it right and shake, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2 jacks. Cross, cross, and shake it right, shake it left. Awesome. Now the beginning of the song has a smaller chorus, but for the rest of the song, when it repeats, the chorus is a little bit longer. So adding on to this routine, or to the chorus, we're gonna have right hand forward, forward, shoulder, shoulder, head, head, swirl to the right and swirl to the left. What? Let's repeat. It's like the Macarena if you kind of know it. Right, left, shoulder, shoulder, head, head, roll to the right, roll to the left. That's it. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, up to the right and left. Boom. Awesome. So after that, we swirl to the right, swirl to the left. We're gonna do one turn, and it's gonna say, run, don't walk away. So run. We're gonna do 4 runs. 2, 3, 4. All right? You could jog in place if you want to. You could hop it out for 4, whatever you want. So run, don't walk away. Then it goes back to the 3-step grapevine to your right. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 2 jacks. Jack, jack, and shake it right, shake it left. Cool. You'll understand a little bit later when we play the song. So let's move on to the verse. The verse is going to be a 4-beat with the elbow chugging for 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it down the body, down the body, down the body, down. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down the body, down the body, down the body, down the body. Cool? Moving on. Right foot slams down. You're going to throw those hips and the shoulder. Bring it down, step together. Left foot slams so the hips and shoulders together. Arms up, slide, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Again, slam it down, together. Slam it down, together. Up, 1, 2, 3. One more time. Slam it down, together. Slam it down, together. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. That is the verse. It's going to go back to the chorus. You repeat the chorus again with the Macarena section. Then we're going to go back to the verse again. Same choreography. And that is it, you guys. There's one section that we break down. It has a little breakdown moment. So let's go ahead and break it down for you. You're going to slide over to your left. Slide, feet together. So right here, you want to feel everything just align. You want to close the legs, close that body, and get really still. Step together, roll it down all the way, and left. Together, roll it down. One more time. Step together, roll it down, and step together, roll it down. Looking good. Only thing is, we only do 2 of those. So make them your best 2, okay? We're to left. Together, roll it down, and step together, roll it down. Yup. Moving on. After that, we're going to do side to side with the knee. Knee is going to go up and around. Knee up and around. Up and around. Up and around. I could already see some of you having questions with this. So let's break this down a little bit more. That knee, pop up, around. Pop up, around. It's almost like a pony step where you go side to side, but you're going to go up for 1 and then around. Up and up and around, up and around. You guys, those are the only steps you need for this number. Let's dance Sweet But Psycho. 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2 jacks. Again. 2 jacks. Elbows, 2, 3. Down, 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 again. Hip and shoulders roll for 4 and 1. Together. Slide up. Roll. Roll. Up. Back to the beginning. Chorus, 3 to the right. 2 jacks. Go. 2 jacks. Macarena, hey. Up, roll, turn, run, jump. 3 to the right, 3 to the left, 2 jacks. Shake it. Elbows, here we go. Roll it down. Woo! Yep. Roll it down. Shoulders and hips. Shoulders and hips. Slide and slide. Shoulders, hips. Slide. Chorus, go! 2 hops. Go. Macarena, here we go. Turn, slide. Chorus, go. 2 hops. Next thing, roll together. Roll it down. Last one. Yeah. It goes up, around, around. Hey. 4, 3, 2. Last one. Back to the chorus.